Good day, sir. Today I will discuss the Dijkstra's algorithm. So, Dijkstra's algorithm was introduced by Dutch computer scientist Edgar Dijkstra in 1956. So, it is one of the most popular algorithms in graph theory. It is used to find the shortest path from a single sources to all other vertices in graph with non-negative edge. So, this is our problem, the I. So, one afternoon, my mother and I went shopping sa Lenovo. Then, nagbayad mi dito og mga some computer systems and household supplies. Then, after na mo, nagpalit, nag-decide mi nga magkaan sa mga favorite nga restaurant here sa Malaybalay, which is sa Max's Place. So, the problem here is we need to find the shortest possible route from Lenovo to Max's. Kay naglakaw rami kay nice ang panahon. Then this is our model. Our in here is this one, Lenovo, which is atong starting point. B here is Trixie Star, C is Plaza, D here is Seldemco, E here is Prison Laundry Hub, F here is Greenwich Uppertal, and G here, which is our destination, is the Max's Place. So kanina yung mga numbers dere, mo na siya ang minutes padulong dito by walking. Syempre, imong kauban ni si imong mama. So hinay mo maglaka kay nag-exercise ko. So this is our mathematical formulation di. Then our objective here is to minimize kanang unsay pinaka paspas or dali nga minutes padulong sa mong destination. So mo ni ang ato ang actual map. So this is the Sildim ko. Then kanatong target nga destination, which is target B, which is Maxis na kami. So by using the Excel, so kani ang report nga ato ang nakuha sa answer report. So iyang giana nga iyang objectives sa minimization is ang distance nga 15 minutes padulong dadto. And of course, this is our sensitivity report. And this is our limits report. So, mo din ito ang solvers settings. So, wala na ako na-record ang solvers, pag-solve nila sa Excel. Kay kulang po ang time. And of course, our conclusion or our final report. So, the objective function minimization distance is 15 minutes ang kalayoon. 15 minutes ang pagbaklay padulong sa tong distance nga atuan, which is sa max. So, the objective minimum distance was a stipulative with optimal value na mo itong root 3, itong paanat diri, which is A, B, G, A, B, F, G. So, therefore, the shortest path from Lenovo to Max's Place is passing through road of Lenovo, Trixie Star, Carvajal Street, Greenwich Hospital, and to Max's Place. And that's all for today. And I hope you understand the lesson for today. Goodbye, and I thank you.